Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own custom fireplace insert. A lot of heritage homes have these old coal burning fireplaces that have been sealed off or closed off for years, and they serve no purpose anymore, only just, aesthetic purposes. And a lot of people put candles in them or whatever to try to make them a bit decorative. So this is an example here. This fireplace is non-functional. It's not connected to a flue anymore. There's just the chimney in the back here is for our fireplace downstairs that's still functional, and this is a fairly new chimney. So I wanted to get an insert to fit in the arch, just, for aesthetic purposes. However, I couldn't find one that would fit because this cast iron arch, it's only 17 inches across. And most of these modern inserts are 20 inches. And I didn't want heat. I just wanted something that lit up and looked nice. So after not being able to find something, I said to myself, well, I'll try to make one from scratch. So I'll show you what I did. And it's very simple to do. You could do it for $100 or less. But just stuff you might have around the house and stuff you can get at your local hardware store. So the first thing I did was made a light apparatus, I guess you could say. And this is just some sockets from some lamp sockets from the hardware store, some lamp cord, and a grounded plug. And I have an outlet on that's right behind the fireplace casing. That's on a switch, and my switch is right here, so I can just turn this on. And the lights, there's two flame LED lights that flicker, and there's one solid yellow LED light in the center to provide a constant yellow glow. If you're not comfortable, I'm comfortable doing electrical work, wiring and that. If you're not comfortable doing that, please do not try it and risk making something that's not safe. This is safe. This is done properly. But you could also use a set of battery-operated lights or a battery-operated light that you can get the same effect. And if you're, more comfortable with that, it's a lot safer. So this is what makes the flame effect, as you'll see now in a little bit. So the next thing I did, as silly as this sounds, I got a brand new gas can from the hardware store, and I cut it in half. It's a brand new one. There was never gas in it. Don't use a used one that had gas in it. But if you have a clean, unused one, you can get them for less than $20 at a hardware store. Cut it in half like that. I also angled it a little bit. I drilled some holes in the back here so that it can breathe, and any heat from the lights would escape. Even though LED lights, they don't give off a whole lot of heat. Then I laid this here like that over the lights, and you can see the lights are flickering underneath like a glowing fire bed. So then I put some blocking in here on each side like that, and I tapered the blocking. And I ran my cord along here like this, like that. This fireplace arch is missing the original cast iron front fire grate. So what I had to do then is make up one. So I just made up one here out of wood. And I put some nails in it to hold it in place. Like that. So there's, I hide my cord up along the side. This is what it looks like. Then you take some coal. I have here some coal. You can find coal in a number of places. There's still places around sells it. Charcoal would probably work fine as well. And just fill the space like this. You can see the effect is already starting to show there. You just spread your coal out over your... Any orange container would work, but a gas can is the right color, and it is it's a nice heavy plastic. So that's what it looks like. As you can see, it's very realistic looking. You get that slight flickering effect from the flame lights to make it look like it's coal glowing. I'll turn off some lights here and we'll see what it looks like in the dark. And here we go. This is the finished effect. If you walked in here now, you would swear that this was a real coal burning fire. Like I said, this insert is very simple to make. It's just stuff you can get at your hardware store you have around your house. It could be done for under $100 for sure. And you can make it custom sized to fit your fireplace opening, as some of these openings are smaller than more modern fireplaces. And like I say, if you're not comfortable with electrical work, you could always use a battery powered light source and you'll get the same effect. So good luck with it.